Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to color grade a video and make the video look cinematic. In this video, we'll use the color wheel and LUTs. The first step is to import a clip into the timeline. I have a couple of videos downloaded here, so I will be using this video. I'm going to drag it and drop it on the timeline. So this is how the video looks like. Let me just play it and we'll see how it looks like. So this is the video. As you can see, the colors are not looking that cinematic. So let's double click on this video and click on Basic. Here you can see the option of LUTs. In the new update, Filmora has added the strength of the LUT. You can adjust the strength of the LUTs. Click here and now pick any of the LUTs you want. Here I will be using the Harry Potter LUT as it's my favorite and it gives the green a really distinct look. So this is how the LUTs look like right now. I'm going to reduce the strength a bit, around 80%. As you can see, this LUT makes the video look a little bit dull, so I want to bring that green back a bit. Click on the color wheel. Here you can see most of the green is in the shadow areas, so we will be adjusting the shadows. Now click on this and move this to the green part. I think it looks good right here. Let's see without this change. As you can see, there's a considerable difference. This is before, this is after. You can see a bit more vibrant green in the video. I'm going to leave the highlights and midtones as such. Let me move to the HSL slider. Here I want the cherries to pop up a little more. It needs a bit more red. Now it has a warm tint to it. I'm going to choose the red here, and now I'm going to increase the luminance and change the hue. Let's see the before and after. As you can see, the red is much more rich now. Let's try to play with the curves here. If we adjust the bottom of it, we can get a bit more brighter image. I want a bit more darker version. I'm going to add a point here. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. And I'm going to leave it here. It brings a bit more fade to the image. Click OK. So we'll add a crop to it. We'll have this letterbox effect on the top and the bottom. Click on crop and in the ratio choose custom. Now decrease the width of the video. Choose here and click on apply. Now we have this cinematic letterbox effect. Now let's see how the video looked before and how it looks after. So this is how the video looks before the color grading and the color correction. And this is after. As you can see, there is a huge difference. Now the video looks really cinematic. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.